United we stand but divided we fall might be all well and good for a motto, but does it hold up when applied to a refrigerator? Samsung doesn't seem to think so, as it has a range of 4-door flex models, including a newer counter-depth model, instead of a familiar fridge on the top, freezer on the bottom arrangement. These models give users the option of making one of the two bottom compartments into another freezer or choosing 3 different, more fridge-like temperatures. How does it work out? Well, it all depends whether you want flexibility or capacity. Though it's stainless steel like many of its brethren, the 4-door design and recessed handles make it stand out. Though not literally, the fingerprint-resistant coating works pretty well, though the doors were frequently smudge-filled. The left door is dominated by the ice dispenser and control panel, which lights up blue when you press it. All the controls are fairly intuitive. You either press something once or hold it down for 3 seconds, and the instructions are right there. Sometimes when I was switching between crushed and cubed ice, I found myself missing the mark and had to jab at the controls a couple times. As a counter-depth fridge, things are a little shallower than full-sized models. Still, I had a 14.5-inch deep box full of produce that I was able to put in there, with the middle shelves removed. The shelves are white plastic and glass, trimmed with silver, and the middle right shelf slides under if you have some tall boys on the bottom shelf. The plastic shelves are also silver accented. The right door has 3-gallon-sized bins, and the middle one can be arranged at 2 different levels. The left door has the ice dispenser chute, and the bins are configured around it, making for slightly strange shapes. There doesn't seem to be much use for the middle drawer, which snakes around the chute in such a way that it isn't wide enough for a hot sauce bottle. 2 crisper drawers sit at the bottom of the compartment and have humidity controls. These pull out and slide back pretty easily. There's an LED light up top and 2 more along the left and right sides. You can double your freezer capacity or have a dedicated beverage chiller. Below the main compartment is the freezer on the left. It has 2 drawers and 3 shelves on the door. Quote,